Let me show you how do you truncate data in SAS. For that, I'm going to show you that how do you keep few rows which meet certain condition, or how do you keep some columns, or how do you drop at times some columns. So you're going to see everything here. So let's go ahead and take a look. So let's say, you have created this data set. Now student.marks2 has a lot of things. Now you want to keep only these 4 columns. You want to publish roll number, name, grade and total marks. So you go ahead and use the keep statement. Keep statement tells us that only these variable needs to be kept. So you run it. You see here roll number, name, total marks and grade. These 4 variables have come. There is no other variable here. It is also showing you total columns 4. Now let me go ahead. But let's say, once you have got this, if someone says no, I mean among them also, I want to just keep these 3 because total marks is confusing and people may get confused that how can someone fail by getting this much score because these are nitty-gritties. Let's say that's the circumstances. So what you can do, you take this data and this time you put drop. See, what you need to understand, published data set had 4 variables. You kept only 4 variables in this data set. And in 4 published data, among them, if you're putting drop equal to total marks, you are actually dropping this. So essentially you'll be left with 3 variables. So let's see how does it go. So take a look. It says you have got 3 columns, roll number, name and grade. So only 3 columns you have got, it dropped. So if you think of what you learned, that how to keep only few columns or how to drop few columns. Now let's do the row wise truncation. Suppose, if for any reason you want only gender like male data. So what you can do, if gender equal to male, this will truncate data and give only for male data. So before doing that, let me show it to you how many male and female are there. And then, we will just see that it worked fine or not. So we will do, I think this is the data set. No, it's 2, student marks 2 data set. And let me just put the frec for gender. So let's go ahead and see how many are there gender wise. So it says there is a mistake here, so sorry for that. Let me go ahead and run it. So you have 5 female and 13 males. The moment you say gender equal to male, the check data should have only 13 records. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, again I think I made a mistake. It should be actually 2 here. So take a look, 13 rows, 1 to 13. So it has worked and it has truncated the data row wise, right? Similarly, you can actually remove. So what if you think of what you learned here, how to keep certain data which meets the condition. If you're not putting anything else here, it means that whatever meets the condition, keep it here. But you can actually remove it also. So if you want, you can say that remove all those which are male. So if you in this time what you are doing, anybody who is male, remove it. So if you run this time, you should get the 5 records only for the female, right? So you've got the output. Now take a look, all gender is F everywhere. So it means it removed everybody who is male. So if you think of what you learned how to keep certain columns only, or how to drop certain columns, how to keep only certain rows which meets condition, or how to drop those rows which meet certain condition. If you want, gender not equal to M, then delete. It will delete everybody who is female. So that's how you do the truncation.